Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lily and I'm gonna be taking you through an unboxing. It's gonna be a short, sweet, and a very quick one because, well, there's so many things to do. So we are gonna start with just reviewing everything because I got a little bit of extra things and I just want to check everything is there. So we have these things that they bring that you can use for your car if you're looking to like decorate your car, or things for washing your car if you want to do that. So there were so many things there. There's so many things that you can buy. So first up, we're gonna try this gym set. We're gonna see this gym set later, and then we have a very good like jacket. It's a brown jacket and it has like a fur collar thing that you will see later. And then we have, I think this was like a what do you call it, was it like a jumpsuit, a jeans jumpsuit or something, or dungaree, I'm not very sure, but it was very beautiful. You'll see it later when I try it on. But it's wide-legged. I love wide-legged, anything wide-legged, and is high-waisted. I'm in for that. Then we bought some tops. I honestly thought this will be a little bit bigger, but yeah, we got what we got. And then we have, they look very pretty. They're white and brown. And excuse my dancing as always, I'm gonna just be dancing here and there. Then we got the most cutest beautiful dress. It was red just because it was Christmas. During Christmas we got some boots, and we're gonna start with this jumpsuit jeans. I've always wanted a good jumpsuit, and we got this one. So this one looks very nice. It looks very comfortable. It looks like something you can wear if you're having friends over and you are just wanting to stay in and be comfortable, or you're just having a very lazy day. But I don't think I would wear this on a lazy day, simply because of how good it looks. It looks like something you can also wear outside when you're just doing like a very casual, laid back, no stress a day. And it probably is better to wear it in summer because if you want to show the top, then you can't wear anything underneath it. But it's so beautiful. It was so beautiful, especially when it's well adjusted. And so I look for the tops to wear it with. We got this one that is white, and it looked so good when worn inside a white top. I think with arms showing is even much better. It looks very beautiful. And I'm gonna keep checking my hair because my hair, I don't know what's happening to my hair. I don't know whether it's grown or it's not grown, or I had a slick press. Never had a slick press before, and my hair is very thin, so it's very thin, but it's gonna work. But it did work. So we got the brown one. I can't tell which one I prefer. I love the brown one. I love both. I love white. Always love white, but not very much. I don't like being so like on a spotlight when I wear white clothes. But I love brown simply because it matches my complexion. Then we have this jacket. It's a brown jacket. Looks much better. I don't know whether it looks much better in the shopping website, simply because there's a lot of like Photoshop done. But I thought wearing this together would be like a super chilled, like I'm not trying too much kind of outfit, which is what I like. I don't like to be in public and seem as if I'm trying too much. I don't know if I'm the only one who does that, but I do really like to be in public and look chilled and comfortable. Then we have this gym set. I don't know why, for some reason I don't like it. I don't like the colors, and I'm probably going to just return it. But this is how it looks. It has the stripes, and so the thing is, the waistband there is not very straight, and when worn, sometimes it makes it seem as if it's where did I go? So sometimes when worn, it makes it same as if it's no, as if it's so if you see that, it makes it it's not very bad, but the waistband there can easily note where you have like a small fat under your belly, so that's why I don't like it. And if it's not very fitting, if you're running, for example, it might start coming down, which I don't like very much. And yeah, so it's I don't know. I don't know why I didn't like it very much, so I decided to return it and get something that I'm more comfortable with. But anyway, it's really, yeah, it's cute. I'm not gonna say it's not cute, but I just wanted to try something else because I have the similar kind of dream workout set that I did like, but now I want to try something else. So we're gonna return this one. Then we're gonna do the dress now, which is red. This dress was honestly beautiful. I loved the embroidery, the flowers in the front, and the fact that it had a plunging neck. But it looks very different on the website because I thought she was going to be a burgundy, but it's not maroon in any type of way. It's very red, but I did do very well because I was looking for a red dress to wear for my Christmas day, and I tend to associate Christmas with red because there's always lots of red, but matches the Santa Claus costume, so that's a good thing. Then we got these boots. I was just looking for some boots because I thought if I have very long boots and I have a very short dress, then I don't have to feel uncomfortable. I can still feel comfortable when I'm wearing a red dress, which is what I would like. So these boots were brown. You can come in any shade that you want, depends on what you're looking for. You can get any shade color that you want. So this is my matching up. It was beautiful and I love the dress. I'm gonna just put this camera down so you can see, like, the boots are very beautiful. I'm gonna say the truth and say that they were beautiful, and I think this is my favorite dress in this whole unboxing. And we have the shoes. We have very beautiful shoes here. I love them because they have the 2 white strips on either side. I don't know why, I find that fascinating. Love anything that looks sporty to me. I think I love anything that looks like it can be worn in the gym. But the only problem with these shoes is that they may be a little bit too hard and you have to wear them for them to get used to your feet. But other than that, if you want to wear them to the gym with a short, they look so beautiful. That's it for this video. Have a good Christmas. Bye.